To fix the PrizePicks location error, follow these steps. Check location settings on your device. Ensure that location services are enabled on your device. For mobile users, go to your phone settings, privacy, location services, and make sure it's turned on. Enable location access for the PrizePicks app. If you're using the PrizePicks app, make sure the app has permission to access your device's location. In Settings, Privacy, Location Services, find PrizePicks and set it to while using the app or always. Use a VPN. If you're traveling or using a VPN, turn off any active VPN. PrizePicks may not work if your location doesn't match their service area. Disabling the VPN should resolve the issue. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using the website, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can fix any temporary issues causing location errors. Restart the app or device. Try restarting your device or the app to reset the location services. Sometimes this is enough to fix any glitches. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to PrizePicks customer support for further assistance. They can troubleshoot and help fix the location error.